our customer reports also we have done, means customer master data. First we completed customer related AR related configuration. After that we completed the customer master data. Then we done this customer postings. Okay, and after that customer posting, customer reports we have done. Now customer special GL transactions. In vendor we have already studied that down payment request, advance payment to vendor, means vendor had requested for advance, then we made advance to the vendor, and then uh, retention money, retention, business had retained some money of the vendor, and after the completion of the services, after receiving complete service, business returned that retention money to the vendor. Same way, now there will be some special GL transaction in relation with the customer also. Okay, and what are these? So same, down payment request means business will suppose in our case Dilip business is there, so Dilip business will request to its customer for to make the down payment. Okay, down payment request. So Dilip business, let's in our case Dilip business, Dilip group of business is there. Dilip group of business will request to the customers to make the down payment. So that will be down payment request. Second, once customer will make the payment and Dilip business will collect the down payment. Okay, so that will be down payment or advance from the customer, right? Advance from customers. Okay, and third special GL is security deposit. Security deposits. Whenever, let's suppose we want to take and fourth one is this one, reserve for bad debts. Reserve for bad debts. Suppose we generally what happens if we are searching for any flat on rent. What do they do? Owner asks for security deposit for 1 month, at least 1 month they ask, or 15 days security deposit. So they keep as a security deposit, correct? Wherever we want to take flat on rent, so they ask for security deposit. Okay, same way we will ask from the customer some security deposit. Okay, suppose Dilip business is there, so Dilip business will ask its customer, so please pay some security deposit, and that security deposit will be adjusted, right? Owner says that I will adjust, no problem, so that can be adjusted. Okay, so this is the same in the SAP also, the same scenario, right? Security deposit option will be is there. And reserve for bad debt means business assumes that there can be some loss to the for for this particular customer, there can be some loss, so that is why business will make some reserve for the bad debts also, some amount, means customer will not pay or something kind of. So business will make some reserve for bad debts, will deduct some amount for reserve for bad debts from the invoice amount for that particular customer, in case of any payment, something wrong happened, means payment not received, something kind of. So these are the four custom related special GL transactions in SAP, simple only, which we have already, we are aware from the accounting point of view, and these are logical also, like in our daily life also we know about these all four things. Security deposit also, and reserve for bad debt. Security deposit is very common. Reserve for bad debt is also means normal thing only. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, clear? Can I proceed?
Yes.
Okay, now see, just a minute. Now see, let's suppose let's suppose I'm explaining this scenario like customer is equal to vendor. This can be the scenario also. Means there is one customer, suppose Dilip business. Dilip business is Dilip business is giving is selling cements. Suppose Dilip business is manufacturing cement or steel. So Dilip business is selling its steel to a particular customer. Let's suppose to any customer, like a customer who is manufacturing paints. Now Dilip business wants to buy paint from that particular customer only. Then in
Mm.
this case, that customer will be treated as vendor also, right? Because Dilip business is buying from that customer paints. Correct? Is getting my point?
Yeah.
Then in this case, let's see, Dilip business selling steel to Asian, let's suppose Asian paints, selling steel to Asian paints. So in this case, in this case, Asian paint is customer. Means Asian paints is customer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In this case, Asian paint is customer. Okay. Now let's suppose Dilip business is buying paints from same company, Asian paints. So in this case, Asian paint is
Yes. Vendor.
vendor. It can be the scenario, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So same scenario, or simply I can create one customer and I can explain the way I have done in the vendor case. But I'm explaining this. If suppose this one is only customer, then we can do the scenario only with the customer wise. But if any scenario comes, whether the same person or same company is vendor also and customer also, then we can use this scenario also, which I am going to explain. Or if there is only single customer related scenario, we can go with that scenario also, no issue. Okay. So I'm explaining this scenario. Okay. So now
Yeah.
Yeah.
suppose customer is equal to vendor. Okay. And now purchase from vendor. Suppose Dilip business has purchased paints from the Asian Paints costing 50,000.
Okay.
Okay. And now Dilip business is selling still to the Asian Paints. So they okay. So let's suppose invoice sell is for 1 lakh. 1 lakh they are selling and they have purchased for 50,000. Dilip business has purchased paints from the Asian Paint, let's suppose for in this example, for 50,000. Okay.
Mm.
And they are selling still to the Asian Paints for the cost of 1 lakh. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Now, uh, so how much they will pay? How much Dilip business has to receive from the Asian Paints? Only 50,000.
50.
50,000 already adjusted, right?
Correct.
So remaining 50,000 only Dilip business will receive from the Asian Paints. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now, first one is down payment request. Dilip business will now requesting for down payment to the Asian Paints for 40,000. Okay. But Asian Paints has, is got agreed to make only advance payment for 35,000. Okay. So now can you guys please tell me in the vendor at a time of vendor posting, special GL posting. when I was posting this down payment request, then what was the journal entry? Down payment request, this one I'm telling. At the time of vendor.
At the time of vendor, we will pay.
Hmm. Journal entry.
Vendor to down payment.
No, 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 no. Down payment request. This is a statistical data only. This is
Mm-hmm.
statistical data. Means at this time, journal entry is not journal entry is not created. Journal entry is not generated. It is only for the statistical data. It is down payment request means uh, let's suppose in the vendor case, like in this case, Delhi business will request to Asian Paints. Okay, suppose means Delhi business will request to its customer to make a down payment. So there will not be any journal entry. Logical wise, also you guys think means I'm requesting to my vendor or to my means I'm requesting to my customers. So please make the down payment. So that is a down payment request. Journal entry will not be created, right? Once customer will pay the down payment, advance payment, that time journal entry will be generated.
Yeah.
Logical wise, also you think like when any request comes, like you vendor has requested, suppose vendor has requested to Dilip business to make the down payment. Journal entry will not be generated, right? That is the only request. That is a statistical data in system. A statistical data means one line. A statistical data will be generated. There
Yeah,
will
yeah.
not be means a statistical data means what? It will not be updated where,
I mean that there will be only one line item.
but it will it be updated in the balances, P and
No.
L. It will not be updated, right? Because that is a statistical data only.
Yeah.
Okay, but once the advance, suppose we are making business is making payment, advance payment to the vendor, then balances will be updated or not?
It will.
It will be updated, right? Same case when once business is collecting advance from the customer, then balances will be updated. But at a time of request,
No
nothing.
updation.
Only in the system one line will come, but ledger balances and this account balances will not be balances will not be updated to the ledger, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is very important. So interviewer will try to confuse. Okay, so like that only. So please try to understand and be confident. Okay, so now down payment request to its customer. Like in this example, Delhi business has requested to Asian Paints, okay, which is customer, to make the down payment for 40,000. Delhi
Mm.
business is collecting from its Asian Paint customer how much they have paid as a
Second.
advance, 35,000. Okay, out of 35,000, see this is my scenario. You means in real time there can be you understanding, right? There can be other amounts. Amount can be different, but configuration and this you can relate. This is I'm example I'm telling, right?
Mm.
Okay, so see, 35,000 Delhi business has received from Asian Paint customers. Out of 35,000, they have decided to transfer to secured deposit how much? 25,000.
25. Okay.
Okay, it can be 20,000. In my example, I am transferring 25,000. Okay, then invoice is posted. Invoice value was 1 lakh. Okay,
Yes.
invoice value was 1 lakh, and how much advance balances now is left? We received Delhi business received 35,000. Out of 35,000, how much they have transferred to secure deposit?
25.
25,000. They have remaining how much? 10,000. So they will transfer adjust 10,000 to the invoice. Remaining will be 90,000. Okay. Out of 90,000, they have decided to bring it. as reserve for bad debt how much? 8,000. It can be 7,000. In my example, I'm treating as I'm taking 8,000. So remaining will be how much?
Total.
90, and now 8 will
92
be gone, then
and
82. 82 only, right? And
mm,
50,000
and purchases.
we have purchases. So 50,000 we will deduct there. The total will be how much? Out of 82, 50 will go, then total 32,000 has to be received. You guys are understanding this scenario? Please
Yes.
try to means analyze this one. Means 50,000. This is just example. So try to understand. Clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Sudhir, for you?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Okay. So now this scenario only we will do in the system. Okay. So means up see vendor and customer we want to link. So in the system we will link vendor with customer. Means we will create one customer master, and in the customer master we will assign one vendor number. Same way we will create one vendor, and in the vendor we will assign that particular customer number. Means we will have to link vendor with customer. Okay.
Okay.
So this one we will see. And you guys remember we had done one configuration at a time of vendor, means for special GL posting, for down payment request in vendor side, for advance
Mm,
payment to vendor, and retention. Okay.
correct.
So first we created the GL account for these three, and we had linked these three to the this vendor reconciliation account. Same way we will do for the
Customer.
customer. But in customer we don't have retention. We have what else? We have down payment request. We have this one advance. Yes, from the
Security deposit and reserve.
so this same configuration we need to do uh, here also for security deposit and for reserve for bad debts. Okay. So now
Yeah.
first please give next heading. So this example, if you guys have understood, if you guys
Yes.
Yes.
have understood this example, now we don't have anything like in the system. Just I will see the notes, you guys also see the notes, and you can practice. But this concept we need to understand.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So please give
Understood.
next. Yeah. Okay. Please give next heading. Create vendor master. Create
This
vendor
is
master.
configuration now.
Huh?
Configuration.
No, configuration no. First vendor master.
Okay.
Then we will come to configuration. Now I'm directly going with T code only. FK01. Okay. Company code I'm giving. So FK01 T code. Create vendor master. FK01 T code means create vendor master. I'm giving company code, and I'm company code LI01, and I'm giving account group LSVS. Account group I'm giving LSVS. Okay. And then I'm clicking enter. Okay. Please write down fast. Uh, Title company, name Vijita Trading Company, Viji, Vijitha Trading Company, short term VTC. I'm giving same uh, street one, any address. I'm giving Hyderabad address only. Country IN 36. So I'm giving address including country and region. PO box also I'm giving. Okay. And then click enter. click enter. Now please see the screen. Here you can see customer
Customer.
option. We can link here. If we have already defined that particular customer, we can assign there. But suppose
Mm.
I'm creating both a customer and a vendor new. So now what we will do, let me create this vendor. Okay. Then I will create one customer. So after creating customer, I will assign again. I will come back and again I will assign the customer here. Or I right now what I can do, I can take it from the existing customer. Okay. So first let me create vendor, and after I will create customer. Then I will take that customer and I will assign here later. Okay.
Okay.
So now again click enter, enter, enter. Now here give 150, which is recon account 150200, sort key 012, cash management group A1, payment terms this much, and then enter. Reconciliation in accounting information, give 150200, sort key 012, cash
Mm.
management group A1. These three things, enter. Payment terms I am giving L001, credit memo terms L001, enter, enter, and save it. 62, this is our customer, if this is our vendor we have defined, right? Control C, Control V. This is our vendor we have defined. Now please give next heading. Now we will create one
Customer.
customer. Okay, T code will be FD01. K means vendor. Now
No.
for customer FD01. FD01. Okay, same company code and group LS. So I am giving a customer account group LSCS. Okay, and company code LS01. Enter. Okay, name will be same only, right? Vijita Trading Company. Every details will be same as previous. Because it is same only. So Hyderabad, same, everything, every details I will giving same. Okay. Now after giving the address details, I will click on enter, enter. Why it is not taking? Why it is not taking? Okay. See if it is not taking, then manually click on control data tab. Okay. Vendor we have, right?
Yes.
So I will simply take that particular vendor 0620005. You can see this is the vendor, right? So I have pasted here. Now link with customer and vendor is done, but in this particular customer we need to assign the when we need to go again back to that vendor and we will assign this customer which we are creating right now, right?
Yes.
After giving this one, click on company code data. After assigning the vendor number, click on company code data accordingly. Okay, enter. Here give the customer number, this one. Okay, sort key. Okay, 031, cash management group E1. Okay, enter. L001 clearing with vendor. See
Yeah.
this option I am selecting. This option I'm selecting. This is very important. You can write down in bracket important. Clearing with vendor will happen. Means this customer is same as vendor also. So this option please try, this checkbox please tick. Clearing with vendor. Okay. Now save. We have got this 062002. Okay. Now where we need to go in FK?
Date.
02, and we will change this one, right? Control tab we will go, and we will change this one. We will assign this. See, it has already come. Okay. Everything is correct only here. But you guys remember here clearing with this one we have ticked or not? Clearing with vendor. This one payment transaction, I think. Let me confirm. No, clearing with customer. This one also should be checked, right? Clearing with customer also we need to check. Okay, so please write down this also. Go to FK02 and go to payment transaction accounting tab and clearing with customer. This checkbox we need to tick. Okay, that's the way we have done in the clearing with vendor in customer in okay, same way in both the master data we need to tick this one and save it. Okay, so now this master data is done. Now we need to create what? Special GL accounts. And what are those? Down payment request, okay,
Yeah.
advance payment from the customer, security deposit, and reserve for bad debt. These four GL account first we will. So currently we are creating master data. So now please give next heading. Give next heading. Create GL account. Special GL accounts. Create special GL accounts. Go to FS00. Go to FS00. Go to FS00 slash n FS00. Okay. So here give GL account to, I'm going little fast. Okay. So GL account 255000. Give GL account 255000. Company code LI01. Click on create. It will come under trade receivable, account group A250 trade receivable. Okay. This short description, a down payment request customer. Long description also, down payment request customer. Customer, okay. And then click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Here, what we need to select this one as, this is reconciliation account. So please select D as a customer. D as customer. Line item display. This is same as FS00. Just a minute. Line item display and okay, yeah, short key 031 0, which is customer number. Create bank interest tab. G067 means a reconciliation account. Okay, down
Yep.
payment request, customer, and save it. Now advance from customer. This is the GL account where we will create. So please give next second number. Create GL account advance from customer. Create GL account advance from customer with template. Okay, with template that down payment request customer, we will use that as a reference and we will create this advance from customer. Okay, so in reference account give 255000 and in company code li01, click on continue. Only here change the description advance from customer, advance from customer, same here also advance from customer. Okay, and no need to change anything, only description, and GL account is already changed. Save. After that, security deposit, third one, create third GL, create GL account security deposit. Only change the GL account. This one also will create with template reference only, and change GL account 255 200 255 200 with template, means with reference. In reference account again give 255000, company code li01 only. If I am fast, then you guys can stop me. Okay, if you
Yeah.
guys are okay, then GL account 255000, company code li01. Here change security deposit customer, security deposit customer. Okay, now fourth GL special GL account we will create. GL account 255300. Okay, fourth create GL account reserve for bad debts 255300. 255300. This one also will create with reference only,
Okay.
with reference to 255000. Reference account is 255000, company code li01 reference. Only here also we will change reserve for bad debt. Only description we will change reserve for bad debts, reserve for bad debts. Now we have created this for GL accounts. Okay, now let's proceed with the configuration. Now we have come to the configuration part. See, if you guys have understood the concept of that vendor, AP and are similar only, right? Only these two scenarios means, right? So please give next heading. Now do the configuration. Now configuration. Okay. Please write down the first heading. Please write down the first heading. Define reconciliation account for customer down payments. Down payment. Now give next heading configuration. First one is define reconciliation account for customer down payments. Define a reconciliation account for customer down payments. Define reconciliation account for customer down payments. This one.
Okay.
Okay. T code is OBXR. T code is OBXR.
Mm.
OBXR. We will come to this configuration. Okay. So first one is down payment request. We will double click on down payment request. But you guys tell me why we are doing this reconciliation account. See this one, like what I'm doing. See,
Main GL.
means main GL we are giving left side, okay,
Hmm.
reconciliation account, and the right side we are giving a special GL, right?
Yeah, Recon GL.
Re, uh, recon GL, yes. Mean left side we are giving recon GL, main GL,
Okay.
and right side we are giving a special GL, like down payment request.
Hmm.
So why we are doing this configuration? What is the requirement? Means
Right.
like the scenario which we are studying right now, we are studying what? We are studying, we want to do the special GL posting, means down payment request, down advance from the customer. This we want to do.
Yes.
Okay, uh, but we have created only which GLs? We have created only the main ledger GLs, means domestic customers, service related customers in our daily business example which we are studying. But see, we want to do a down payment request related scenarios.
Mm.
So without doing this configuration, whether system will allow us to do the down payment request related or security deposit related uh, postings or reserve for bad debt related posting, system will allow? System will not allow. First, we need to do in the backend this configuration only. Then only system will allow, to do the posting of down payment request related, advance related, security deposit related, and reserve for bad debt related. Correct?
Yes.
Then system, this setting will be there in the system. Then we can do those posting.
Mm.
Okay. So please write down in the recon account. These are the main GL accounts for the
The
vendor.
last one, I think it is repeated.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Let me. Yeah. Change. So left side to the screen. These are the recon account for the customer. Okay.
Mm.
Which we give in the where? We will give in the customer master data.
Yes.
Okay. And in the right side, these are the special GL account, which is also recon account. Both are recon account only, right? But
Mm.
this is special GL accounts. Special GL accounts for customer. Special customer GL accounts. Okay.
Okay.
So here we are linking both of it. Both of it. Okay. So now after linking, click on save. Okay. So this one down payment request we have done. Special GL indicator is F. Now come back. Double click on A. A means down payment, means advance payment from customer. So double click on A, come back and write down, press back button, double click on A or down payment. Okay. Here also same we will do 25000 250100 250200 250300. Okay. And here advance from the customer, which is 255 100 255 100. Yes. Okay. These four are the recon account, and we are linking all the four recon account, main ledger recon account with the special GL recon account. Okay. 255 100. Save. Save, and now come back. Come back. Now please give one note. Please write down one note. Request, down payment request will be received from the sales side. Write down one note. Down payment request will be received from the sales side, but advance will be received from the finance department. Request will be received in customer in this AR topic, in this AR scenarios. Down payment request will be received from the sales department, and advance will be received from the finance department. In the note you can write down. Okay. Same in the vendor side. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I have told received. Actually, down payment request will be done, will be made. So please change, request will be made or done by sales department. And in the vendor side, request will be received from the this which department? Purchase department. Okay. And payment will be done from the advance payment will be done from the finance department in vendor side. I'm telling. Okay. Now please give next heading. Define alternate reconciliation account for customer. Here we will do for security deposit and reserve for bad debt. So please give next heading. Define alternative reconciliation account for customer. Uh, give next heading. Define alternative reconciliation account for customer. OBXY is the T code. OBXY is the T code.
Path would be?
Path, yes, I'm telling. Up to business transaction, same path as previous. Up to business transaction, same path as previous. Okay. After that, posting with alternate reconciliation account. After that, posting with alternate reconciliation account. Then other special GL transaction. Then other special GL transactions. Okay. And then other special GL transaction. After that, define alternative reconciliation account for customers. Define alternative reconciliation account for customers. T code is OBXY. OBXY. Okay. Now we'll come to a next window. Here H, which is security deposit only. So we will double click on security deposit. Okay, write down, double click on H, which is security deposit. Give chart of account LOCA. Give our own chart of account LOCA. Continue. Click continue. Same, we need to give our GL account 25 reconciliation main account, and then reconciliation account, special GL reconciliation account. Here I am giving security deposit GL reconciliation special GL account. Okay, but you can see I have done the copy paste, but I have not changed it.
Yeah.
So let me change it. 2300. Okay, 2 lakh 50,000 like that, and secretary and the right side secretary deposit this one, and now save it. Click on save, and then double click on come click back come back, and double click on E, which is reserved for bad debts. Double click on E, which is reserved for bad debts. Same, we will do same way, 25 same way. Here we will change the special GL recon account. This one is security deposit 255, not security, sorry, reserve for bad debt. Reserve for bad debt, yeah. 25530 300 with all we will accept. Okay. Now I will save it. Click on save. Now see, suppose you are given one system, okay, where suppose it can be it is possible a particular special GL indicator is not available. Let's suppose this reserve for bad debt is not available. Okay, then what we need to do? You can face this situation also.
Mm.
Suppose E is not there or security deposit is not there. Then what we need to do? We can come here. Suppose we have
Create.
we have knowledge, means we have our means we know how to what we need to do. Suppose then what you will do? You can do. You will, let's suppose I'm giving already E is there. So let me give some other letter here. Let's suppose I'm giving W. Okay, W is also there. Y. Y is nothing else. Suppose I'm creating reserve for bad debt only. Name reserve, reserve for bad debt. Continue. Okay. So like that you can create.
Now save.
Now yes, but check 9 and 19. Okay. Yeah. Now save it and click on accounts button. Just a minute. Save it. It is a part of configuration only. Save. Click on accounts button. Now see, we have created this one, right?
Yes.
So this, like this one, you guys see it has come. Okay. So suppose you have any system and you don't have any particular special jet indicator, you can create like this. And if you want to delete it, see again I'm come back. See this one we created. You want to delete? Delete this one. Save. Deleted. Okay.
Yeah.
Now please give one heading. Define alternate reconciliation account. Define
Yeah.
define alternative reconciliation account. Up to posting same path as previous. Up to posting same path as previous.
In the previous step also, we have written define alternative reconciliation account for customers. Now,
Now this one No, but this one is only define alternative reconciliation accounts. See screen. That was
Mm-hmm.
4 customers. This was up to only accounts only, reconciliation accounts. That's all. You can see the difference. This one and this one. I'm telling now this one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Please write down. Define alternative reconciliation accounts.
This side by is T code, CF or
No T code OB. No, this is not T code. No, T code is not there. We need to come by path only for this one. Okay. So now come up to, please write down path up to posting with alternate reconciliation account same path. Up to posting with alternate reconciliation account same path, and then define alternate reconciliation account. This one, define alternate reconciliation accounts. Click on that. Click on that. Give chart of account LOCA. Continue. Two 5000. See what is the requirement? Means let's suppose I have created one customer and I have given one main ledger account as services. For services, we have defined 250 200, right? But now, after some time, business wants to change that service customer as domestic customers. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we can achieve this requirement by doing this configuration. Okay, but I have some doubt in this configuration, but I will give me some time. I will check this, but till now I am telling you guys this much only. But I have some doubt, so I will check that and I will confirm this configuration also. And yesterday's also one thing was left, right? That reference. So these two things I will explain maybe tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
250 200 250 100 250 200 250 200 250 200 250 100. You guys are getting what I'm telling? See, there is one customer. Suppose this is the customer. Okay. Now this customer, it is not. Let me slash n FD02 internal. Okay. So now suppose I have created this customer under this recon account 250 200, and after that what I have done, I have done some posting also in this particular customer.
Mm.
Okay. So in the main ledger it is getting updated to this main ledger GL account, right? But after some time I want to change it from this to domestic. 200 means services, right? In our example,
Mm-hmm.
I want to change it to domestic or any other recon account. Then we can achieve it with the help of this configuration.
Okay.
This is what I'm telling. Okay. Now we will save in our TR. After that, now we will start doing our post this testing, or we can say postings. Okay. So please give next heading Please give next heading. First, as per our Excel, we will do this purchases related posting for 50,000. Okay.
Yeah.
So give next heading. Go to FB60 vendor invoice posting. Go to FB60 vendor invoice posting. Directly I'm going by T code.
No.
I will take Vijita one. I will take this one. Just a minute. This one 62. Okay. I will keep today's date. VC, any reference I can give. VC 01 I'm giving. Vendor customer 01. Amount 50,000 as
Mm.
per our example. Here I'm giving expense account. Let's suppose advertisement account. Star. Star. And then business area. Profit center. One thing actually. Um, One thing actually I forgot to do in FS00. Just a minute. Ready for recon for ready for input. Yes, this one. Uh, can you guys please write down this one also we need to do. So you guys have written down in FB60. Okay, let's
Mm.
do this posting. No problem. Let's first do this posting. Document simulate and 50,000 I am posting.
PC, don't it?
Huh?
Profit center business area.
I had given
Okay.
1,000 and business area also I had given Hyderabad only. Okay. So now this one is done. Now please give next heading. Go to FS00
Mm.
and in all the GL accounts, in all the reconciliation main account, we need to do this recon account ready for input. This we need to select this option. Okay. Hmm. Actually, this indicator is used in financial assets management.
Okay.
Means when we will do this indicator, it will be used in financial assets management. Currently, right now it is not required, but it will be used in the assets management. Okay. So please do it for all 250,000, 250,100, 250,200, 250,300.
It's 255, no?
No, I am doing for reconciliation account main GL, not
Mm.
for special GL. That
Okay.
255 is special GL, right? So we need to do only for the main GL, reconciliation main GL. Okay, so now we have done this one. Invoice we have posted. Now you guys should ask me like show me in the reports, right? So I will go to this customer line item report. T code is FBL5N, right?
Yeah.
I will come to FBL5N. This customer is vendor also, right? But that one we have posted. Okay, let me say this because that was on FB60. It should show like this also. You can see I have selected this one vendor items. Can you see?
Yeah.
I did not do any posting to this customer, but
Mm.
since this customer is vendor also, so from vendor's KR document we posted. KR means vendor invoice we posted, and in the report I filtered with normal items and with vendor items. If I will not filter with normal items, I will keep only vendor items, then also we will get this. No, we need to keep normal item also. Normal item and vendor item, we will get this one. Okay, we have only posted vendor invoice. Since this vendor is same as customer, that is why we are getting this one, this report. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
Now please give next. Yeah, okay. Please give next heading. Customer advance request or down payment request from customer. Customer advance request. Customer advance request. T code is F dash 37. Okay, and path please write on the path. SAP menu. Path is SAP menu. Accounting. Path is SAP menu. Accounting. Then financial accounting. SAP menu accounting, financial accounting. After financial accounting, AR, account receivable. After financial accounting, AR, account receivable. After account receivable, document entry. After AR, document entry. After AR, document entry. After document entry, down payment. After document entry, down payment, and then F-37 request. F-37 request. F-37 is the PICO. So click on that. Click on that. Now we have come to this next window, posting window. Document type is DZ, right? DZ, and a reference. Give any reference. Customer down payment request 01. Okay, and in customer what we will give? Vijita customer only, right? Which we have created.
Mm.
Vichita Trading Company. Okay, and here uh, the in the this special deal indicator for down payment request is F, but in while posting we keep it as A only. Okay, so please don't get confused. Here we keep it as A only, but when we will see the in the reports, the statistical report, when we will see there, it will be show as special GL indicator F, but right now we will keep as A only. Okay,
Okay.
so now
Why? Because this is a special GL.
in the report we will see F. I will show in the report. So right now, please write down all these things. This the
Done.
customer, Vijita customer I have taken. Okay, not any random customer I am taking, because with Vijita customer we have done all the linkage and settings like vendor and customer we have linked. Okay, so customer number target zero is indicator A. After that, enter what was the request for 40,000, right?
Mm.
Okay, request was for 40,000. Due one, let's suppose I am making it due today only. Business area, profit center, customer, down payment request. Okay, customer overview. Now you can see indicator F has come right now, but at the time of posting there was A.
Mm.
A is for advance, but but please don't get confused. Here F has come, which is correct. Now save it. Series is 14 series. Document number is generated. Come to reports. FBL 5N. Okay, all items. It is which items? If you guys can please tell me. Down payment request from customer is which items? Normal items. Which items among this?
Special.
No. So this
Special GL.
no special. Noted right.
Mm.
See, noted only right. See, noted. If you guys are telling a special, okay. So let me filter with a special. It is noted means down payment only noted items is only for down payment request. Special GL means for those transactions, ledger balances and balances will be updated. So those are special GLs means uh, advance advance receipt from the customers, security deposit or reserve for bad debt. These postings will have the ledger balances, right? Will be updated in the ledger balances.
Yeah.
So those are the special GL transactions. But down payment request statistical data is only for will be these are down payment request is only noted item only. Okay,
Yeah.
and now we had
Understood.
posted vendor items also and normal item also. So let's see these two. Down payment request 40 and for vendor is the 50,000.
Mm.
So now please give next heading, third one, customer down payment receipts. Customer down payment receipts. Okay. So path I'm telling you guys. T code is F-29. T code is F-29. Same path as above. Same path as above. Same path as above.
Yeah.
Just a minute, my system is very slow. Okay, down payment request. So double click on down payment, this one, customer down payment receipt, F-29, double click on that. So come to next window. Here, customer down payment receipts, any reference give, customer number Vichita, indicator is A only. Here indicator will be A, which is advance from the customer. Bank account, I will take it as 2,40,000 because we have defined only cash account. 35,000 they have as per our Excel. They have agreed to pay 35,000. So I am putting here 35,000 in the amount. Advance receipts from customer. Okay. After that, click on request button. After giving all these details, click on request button, request option. Click on request option. Okay. Select this line. Select this entire line. Okay. Select this entire line. Change from 40,000 manually to 35,000. Select this entire line. From below, you can see the screen. From here, I have selected the entire line. I have changed from 40 to request was we had requested for 40,000, but they are paying 35. So I have changed manually from 40 to 35. Change it to 35.
Hmm?
From 40,000 to 35,000, I have changed. Then click on down payment. You can see click on down payments. Click on down payments. Okay. And then save. Click on save. Now document is posted. Again, this is a special GL transaction, right?
Yes.
So I need to this select this special GL transaction option. Now see that statistical data has come, is cleared, right?
Mm. 5,000.
Okay, and now it has 35,000 is showing as a is open item. Okay, now and we had a purchase of this one 50,000.
50,000.
Okay. So now please give next heading. How much this one? How much will be transferred? Now we will do the. Please give next heading. Transfer from special GL to special GL means we will transfer from advance receipt to
Security.
security deposit. 25,000 we will transfer. So please give heading transfer from special GL to special GL. In the bracket, you can write down special GL advance from advance to security deposit. Please write down the path. T code. Please write down the T code F dash 30. T code is F dash 30 30 F dash 30 T code. Write down the path. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting. Okay. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, then AR. AR means account receivable. After
Yeah.
financial accounting, AR. After AR, document entry. After document entry, others. And after others, transfer with clearing F dash 30. Document entry, then other. After other, F dash 30, transfer with clearing. Okay. Here give document date, posting date. Document type is DA.
DA.
DA, yes. Reference, any reference I can give. And here a radio button is very important. I am selecting transfer posting with clearing. Transfer posting with clearing. Okay.
Yeah.
See, uh, see the journal entry. What will be the journal entry here? Journal entry here will be advance from customer, which was liability in the previous step when we collected advance from the customer. Now liability will be reduced. So advance from the customer will be debited. Journal entry will be in this step will be advance from customer debit to security deposit credit. This will be the journal entry. Means security deposit will be credit, right? You can write down the
Yes.
journal entry somewhere in the bracket. Advance from the customer debit to security deposit credit. So, okay. So here, for security deposit, we are doing the in the first line item. I am putting the security deposit options, which is credit in this posting. So 19 means special GL posting. Customer debit is 01, customer credit is 11, right?
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Customer special GL debit is 09, customer special GL credit is 1919. Okay. Since security deposit will be credited here, that is why I'm using this special GL indicator credit for customer 9, which is 19. Posting key 19 I am selecting. Okay. In the line item, and account I am giving same Vijita's account, which is this one, 62 only customer. Okay, yes. Special GL indicator will be what? H. H
Yeah.
means security deposit, HD security deposit. Enter. After giving a special GL indicator H, click enter. Okay. In the next screen, give amount 25,000. Give amount 25,000. Text I am giving anything like transfer posting. Okay. And click on choose open item. Means it is already there, right, in open item. That is why we are not going to another screen, another line item. We can take it from the open item. 35,000 is there in the open item.
Okay.
So click on open item. Okay. Here we need to give the Vijita's this account. Click on open item. Give this one company code, account type D, and account number is Vijita's customer account number. Okay. And here give here special, and that open item is having which balance, which special GL balances that is having. This one 35,000, it is having which open item balance? Means see, this one is open item, right? 35,000
Yes.
customer open item, but this is which kind of a special GL transaction, which kind of open item, which kind of a special GL posting?
Advance.
Advance, right? So that is why what we will need to do here, we need to mention, we are, you guys are understanding or not? See, let me come back. See, here in this transfer, here right now we are doing transfer posting from
H.
advance from the to the security deposit, right?
Correct.
This one we are doing, this posting we are doing, right? General entry will be what?
Advance from customer to security deposit.
Advance debit to security deposit credit. Credit. So security deposit will be credit, right? And security deposit is also a special GL indicator only.
Yes.
Means we are adjusting from the advance amount only, right? So see, let me do this one from the beginning. 19 why I am giving for security deposit, right? Special GL indicator credit. 19 is a special GL for security deposit. Okay. Here I am giving Vijita's customer number, and here I am giving a special GL indicator H. Okay. Transfer posting with clearing ready button is already, it is selected. Now I am clicking enter. Amount 25,000 due on today's, and transfer posting. I'm choosing it from the open item, means advance open item which we have collected, right?
Hmm.
So this I'm giving here, account type is D. D means customer. Account number Vijita's customer account number. Here special GL indicator we need to give here what? A. Correct? Any
Yes.
confusion? No, right? And please remove this standard OIS. Okay. Click on
Okay.
process open item.
Set.
Double click on that. We have activated this one. No, but it is partial, right? We are how much we decided? 25,000 only, right? So
Yes.
come to partial payment tab. and come to this only to you guys come here and double click on this field. It will be automatically taken, because in the first line item, security deposit line item, we had already given the amount, right? So from there, double click here, it will be changed to 25. Okay. Now document simulate. Now see, in the simulation, you can understand whether we are going to post correct entry or not. See, it is correct only. 09
It
is
should
debit
be.
and 19 is credit. Advance is getting debited with 25,000. Security deposit is getting credited with 25,000. Now post it. Okay. Now again come to this report. Refresh option, list, refresh.
clear.
Okay. 25,000 is adjusted. Okay.
Yeah.
Now next we will do, please write down, post customer invoice parking. Means 1 lakh, like we need to do the posting from the customer side also, invoice, right? 1 lakh was the invoice amount. See, up to w- what we have done, we have posted first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Now we are going to post from sale side invoice, FB70. Okay. So now please give next heading, post customer invoice parking. I am telling parking. I'm showing you guys parking also. Directly I can do the FB70, but I'm showing you guys parking also. So please give next heading, post customer invoice parking. Post customer invoice parking. T code is FV. F for finance, V for victory, 70. FV70. Up to, you can write down the path, up to document entry same path as previous. Up to document entry same path as previous. After that, document parking. After that, document parking. After that, document parking, and after that, FV70 park edit invoice. FV70 park edit invoice.
चाहिए.
Okay. FV70. Here also I will take Vijita customer. Vijita customer is 62002 at last. 62002 at last. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Customer number. So same customer number, Vijita customer number we are giving here. Invoice date, posting date, reference
Yep.
CDP 01, and INR amount. Give amount for 1 lakh. We have decided, right?
Mm.
1 lakh. Customer invoice. Customer invoice parking. Okay. Now come to this details tab. I had told you guys, right? That configuration which we have done.
Um,
Which one in second time? This
reconciliation.
uh, which we you asked like, okay. So that in the posting we can change from that because of that configuration only. So I'm changing it to domestic 250000. If we will not do that configuration, we cannot change in the invoice level or at a time of posting. Is not permitted. Dot key 00. We have done this configuration.
We gave 250
Okay, let me change it. Oh, you are correct. Okay, let me do right now only so that you guys can understand. So SPRO IMG financial accounting new APNAR business transaction posting with alternate reconciliation account. That one is missing. Yes, you are correct. LOCA. So we are actually trying to change from the 200 to 100, right?
Hmm.
So no, this one. But we were not able to do because this configuration was missing, right?
Yes.
So system was restricting us. But now let me change it to that one only. But 100 we had done, so it was allowing us, right?
Hmm.
So now it is allowing trade receivable domestic. So that this is the use of that configuration. Okay, means we had defined that this particular customer under trade payable services, but now we want to change in invoice level to any other group. Like right now I have changed from services to domestic. So this we can do by doing that configuration. Okay. So now amount 1 lakh GL account. Okay. So say park document.
Mm.
Now this document is only parked. See, now if you guys want to do customer invoice parking with double screen, T code is F-64. You
Okay.
please write down. You can do practice by your own that one also. Same way, like the screen will be two screen will be there, like
Mm.
F-02. We can do parking, customer invoice parking in F-64. Please write down customer invoice parking using double screen. T code is F-64. Okay, and same
Okay.
way for vendor invoice parking, T code will be FV60. FV60. Okay.
Mm.
Now, let us come to report. Come back. We have one parked item also,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
So, and it is for this customer only executed. Now see, this
Dear.
parked is also not updated to where ledger.
Correct.
Okay, so it is showing with, that is what it is showing. It is a statistical data. It is showing with yellow. Okay, now 1 lakh has come. Now we need to convert it as a normal document. This invoice. Okay, normal document we need to convert. So
Yes.
for this, what we need to do? Hmm, from here also we can convert it to the. So now please give next heading. Convert park document into normal document. Convert park document into normal document. T code is FV70. Same T code you can do. Okay. From the document header, you can see the screen. From the document header, select go to document header and select park document option. Go to document header, select park document option. Okay. Give company code, document number and fiscal year. Give company code, document number, fiscal. This is which document number? Park document number
Mm.
and fiscal. Yeah, on fiscal year. Then click on continue. Again go to document header and post. Again go to document header and click on post. Continue. Now it is posted. Again go to come to report. Refresh this one. Now you see I have selected this Spark document option also only, right? I am just refreshing it. I'm not doing any change. Now yellow has come down.
Mm.
Okay. So,
11.
hmm,
Nothing.
okay. So now let us, now what is as per our Excel? Next we need to do, we need to adjust 10,000. Okay. Remaining 10,000 is there. In 10,000 advance amount is left. 35 we
Mm.
received. 10,000 is left. Now we will adjust that 10,000 in with invoice amount.
Mm.
Okay. So now please give next heading. Please give next heading. Advance adjustment against invoice. Advance adjustment. Advance adjustment against invoice. 10,000. Okay. So T code is F-39. T code is F-39. Okay. Up to
Path.
path, yes, I'm telling. Path, I'm telling. Up to document entry, same path. Up to document entry, same path. Then down payment. Then down payment. After that, F-39 clearing. After that, F-39 clearing. Up to document entry, same path. Then the down payment. After that, F-39 clearing. F-39 clearing.
Yeah.
Here, give document date, reference, customer number same, invoice reference. This is a which invoice number in which we want to adjust the. This is our invoice. See, 18 series 10. In this only we want to adjust our advance amount. So same invoice reference I am giving. Okay. In the text, give transfer posting. Okay. Click on process open item. Sorry, click on process down payment. Click on process down payments. Okay. Click on process down payment. 10,000. If we had not kept as security deposit, here how much would have come? 35,000 only. Since we have
Mm.
transferred 25, that's why the balance 10,000 is coming here. Okay. Now document simulate. We have come here, and what we did, I just double click here. Now automatically 10,000 has come after giving after doing double click. Now document simulate. Now see, advance was liability. Now our liability is getting reduced, so it is debited now.
Yeah.
Okay, and now it is getting adjusted with the advance amount in the invoice. It is getting adjusted. Simulate and save. Come to report and now refresh it. 10,000 is adjusted. Okay, now last what we need to remove,
Bad debts.
reserve for bad debts. Yeah, please give next heading. Transfer from reserve, transfer from trade payable to reserve for bad debts. Meaning from invoice amount, invoice only we will transfer for bad debts. 8,000 as per our example. Transfer from transfer from trade receivable to reserve for bad debts. T code is F-30. T code is F-30. Okay. Up to, please write down the path. Up to document entry same path. Up to document entry same path. After that, other. Uh, click on other, and then F-30 transfer with clearing. Up to document entry same path. Then click on other. After that, transfer with clearing. F-30 transfer with clearing. Okay. Before that, please in the bracket, please write down the general. What will be the general entry generated? Here, general entry will be generated. Reserve for bad debt debit to trade receivable credit. Reserve for bad debt debit to trade receivable credit. This will be the general entry. will be generated after posting this transaction. Okay. Okay, then we'll continue same transaction. Document date, posting date, a reference, then document header also, transfer, posting, and here debit will be reserved for bad debt, right? So posting key for special GL customer, posting key is what?
19.
No, 09 is
Oh,
for special GL debit, 19 is for credit. We are actually doing this settings for reserve for bad debt. So 09 special GL debit, and account will be Vijita, customer account. Special GL will be E, right? This one in the below first line item, posting key is 09. In account field, customer account Vijita, account number, and special GL indicator E I am giving. Okay, then
Yeah.
click on enter. Click on enter. Give amount 8,000. Dion today I am taking. Okay, then click on choose open item. Click on, because invoice is already there in open item, so we will select from the invoice open item. So click on give here amount 8,000. Click on choose open item. Okay, choose open
Yeah.
item. Here account type D, customer account number, and here we are not giving any special GL indicator, right? Here we are not giving any special GL indicator uh, because we are not adjusting from any special advance amount or any special GL transaction. We are adjusting from invoice
invoice.
amount, which is not a special GL transaction posting. So that is why I'm not giving any special GL indicator. So give customer account number, account type D, this one, and then click on process item. Click on process open items. Click on process open item. Then select 1 lakh. Come to partial payment. Okay. Double click on this field 8,000. Now see, I have come to payment in the same line to this 1 lakh. I have come to this payment amount, and I have simply double clicked on this, so it has taken 8,000. Okay.
Hmm.
Now document simulate. Now see, reserve for bad debt is getting debited with 09, you can understand, and this one is this amount is getting credited, trade payables. So it is posted. Now come to report, refresh, list, refresh. 8,000 is 8,000 is taken for reserve for bad debt. Now at last what we will do, customer incoming payment. Okay,
Yeah.
please give next heading, customer incoming payment. Okay, customer incoming payment. T code is F-28. Customer incoming payment we have already done, right? So I am directly coming with
Yeah.
T code. Slash n F dash 28. Okay, 2,40,000. It should be 32,000. Okay, so now give here reference these things. Bank account, cash account I have given, amount I have taken as per our this Excel. It will be 32,000 total. Receivable we need to receive. Okay, and open item this Vijita's customer account number. Okay, now click on open item. Okay, see, I'm activating. 32,000 is correct, right? See, this realized loss account is coming with zero amount. From where? Post automatically.
Mm.
With zero amount it is coming, but it is coming automatically because of post automatically in this GL account we have assigned. Okay, so now we will simulate and post. We have posted this one. Now come to report, refresh this one. Sorry, everything is settled down. Now you can see how much is the balance. This much.
17.
Security deposit, we had how much? We had kept security deposit
25.
25,000. But 25,000, what? Suppose if we take any flat or any flat on rent. So owner tells when you will vacate, then I will adjust this amount or I will pay back you this security deposit amount. So we need to
Mm.
pay means business has to return this amount to the customer, right? Or adjust this amount, right?
Yes.
Correct. So please give last heading. Give last heading. Customer advance payment. In bracket you can write down security amount we are paying back to customer. Customer advance payment is the heading. In bracket you can write down security deposit amount payment. Okay, T code is F-31. T code is F-31. Okay, so same path as previous means previous to previous you can write down same path previous to previous. T code is F-31 outgoing payment means which I told customer advance payment. So come to this, come to new, means double click on that. It will take us to next window. Bank data. How much? 25,000, right? We had taken from
Mm.
the advance that time in the beginning. And open item is Vijita's. So these parameters please give bank data 2,40,000, amount 25,000. And in open item selection, please give Vijita's customer account number. Okay. Account type D. And this one is special GL indicator posting only, right? So in a special GL indicator, give H or remove this checkbox, standard OIS. Okay. Okay. So now, so this is very important. See, here we are adjusting our security deposit amount. So in open item, give customer account number, account type D, special GL indicator H, and remove this checkbox, standard OIS. So please, this one also you guys mention. Okay. After that, after that, click on process open item. Okay. Click on process open item. See, only 25,000 is there. 25,000. Simulate. Okay. Now, that, at that time, general entry was advance amount debit to security deposit credit, correct? Hello?
Yes.
And now security deposit is getting debited now. Okay, because we're paying back.
Mm.
Okay, so now save, posted, and come to this report, refresh. Now see, all done. Only we have what? Only we have
Eight.
this reserve for bad debts with us. All completed. Okay, in doubt?
No.
Sudhir,
Bro, no,
you have any doubt?
no.
Okay, so then I will share yesterday's recording also. Sorry, I did not share. Yesterday's recording also I will share, and today's recording also I will share. By evening I
Oh,
will share. Okay, and today's
okay.
class notes also I will share. Tomorrow we will study bank accounting. We will start. Like in a bank key concept is there in SAP, and house bank, account ID. These all things we will study.
Mm.
And okay, so like operational account, like real account, real bank. And in SAP also we need to maintain the banks. So these
Okay.
things we will study, and we will means our APR. We have completed our GL accounting. We have completed our accounts payable, account receivable. We have completed. Now we are proceeding to tomorrow. We will start our bank accounting.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. After bank accounting, we will study integration with materials management, FI integration, finance integration with materials management. Next, we will study finance integration with sales and distribution, then asset accounting, and some few things of controlling. Then we will complete our syllabus. Okay.
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 Okay. Tomorrow we will connect.
Sure.
Okay. Thank
Then
you. Thank you.